Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and today in this episode I'm going to be embossing a key. It is a golden key and you can find them in Amazon and everywhere, or also you can have around your house any little treasure that you want to keep inside two pieces of fabric. Actually, if you like sewing, this is a good project for you. And in the previous episode, I will show you how to emboss wooden bead and also a button. I will suggest you to start with a button and then you can be embossing everything in order to create relief and to have something different on the cover of your junk journal. In the meantime, I want to tell you that I'm super happy to have this channel and to share with you all my creative projects and also my creativity and inspiration, because I was listening to a video that was saying about art therapy, and actually when you create, you are unleashing your creativity and you're connecting with your own soul. So there is a story of a girl asking her grandma, how do you heal pain? Grandma answered, you can heal your pain using your hands. If you do it with your mind, the pain, instead of softening, hardens even more. With the hands, yes, your hands are like the antennas of our soul. In other words, if you make them move, doing any activity like scrapbooking, making your junk journals, gluing, cutting, sewing, cooking, painting, sinking them into the dirt and planting your plants and cutting the herbs, then you connect to the deepest part of you and your soul calms down because you are paying attention to it. So no longer needs to send you pain to be noticed. In other words, when you connect with your soul is going to be aware that you're paying attention to her, and you change that pain or that distress or that sadness or probably that deep anxiety into a piece of art. So move your hands, my girl. The pain will not pass. It will become into the best masterpiece, and it will be no longer hurt because you have managed to embroider its essence. I'm a fan of all this spirituality and amazing books and stories that can make us to reflect and to live a better life. So I am happy that you're here and try this project. You're gonna love it. In my next episodes, I'm gonna be showing you how to use this little piece of fabric that is already holding some of my precious treasures. And I have been working with a piece of fabric and also with a needle and thread. You just can click here in the corner or here in my picture at the end of the video and then hit the bell. Also, you can leave me a comment. Do you agree with my words in this video? Do you think that we really can calm our soul moving our hands? I'm gonna leave the question here and just let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I see you soon in my next episode. Bye, my friends. Bye bye.